Hi guys, so today I'm going to make you a tutorial video for connecting the RPM display and Les pedal shifter. But before we start the installation, we should know these electric components are powered by 12 volts power. So you should find the 12 volts power from your steering wheel. So let's test that. Okay, so you will see I'm connected the steering wheel RPM display to the 12 volts power. So after you find the 12 volts power, you will break the wire accordingly and connect this power cord to the OEM power cord. So all of the components, electric components, including the RPM display and pedal shifter, should be powered by the 12 volts power. And I've made a document for the tutorial. So every details have been listed. So if you need that, we can send it to you. And I've got another document from BMW. It's a official document for the diagram. So if you need it, we can send it to you as well. And here, we just connected the RPM display to the power. So you will see everything gets connected. After you get that connected correctly, just get this connected to your car. So you will see it will transfer real-time status, real-time data from your car. So when you speed up, it speeds up. And when you reach the RPM, you will come with a flashlight. Okay, for other models, you can install the RPM display in the same way. Just test out 12 volts power.